Oh dear, Peppa's car has broken down. Daddy Pig had better call Grandad Dog's garage and ask for help. Danny Dog has answered the phone. Grandad Dog is on his way. Can you drive Grandad Dog's tow truck to rescue Peppa's car? Tap on the red button to make the car stop at the traffic lights. Dog has arrived with his tow truck. Can you hook Peppa's car to it? Excellent! You have attached the hook. Turn the winch to tow the car. The car is ready to drive back to Grandad Dog's garage.